Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking into how to create a virtual environment and how to activate it. So let's quickly start the session. Once you are in the Visual Studio, you need to open your working directory. So I have already opened it. Once you open the working directory, you need to click open the new terminal, and here you can switch to command prompt. Once you are in the command prompt, you need to pass this command. So python -m venv. This is the command for virtual environment, and at the end you can give the environment name. So I'll pass the environment name as nv and hit on enter. Once you click on enter, you see a folder is getting created here. Under this folder you see various folders like include, library, scripts, python environment dot configuration file. So once the command is successfully executed, you will be getting a new line here. To activate the environment, you need to navigate to nv slash scripts slash activate. Either you can use this, or you can use activate.bat file to activate the environment. Once you have that path, click on enter. Once you turn enter, you see like you are in this path. If you want to like deactivate it, you need to go to the same path, nv slash scripts slash. So as we have activate, we also have a deactivate, and then click on enter. So if you see, I'm out of this environment now. Once I click on activate.bat, I will be inside that environment, and if I want to get out of that environment, I can like execute the deactivate.bat file. Thank you.